Hey YouTube, so today I'm having a problem with, I have an iPhone 15 Pro with a USB-C port and I'm having problems with the charging on and off. Some cables do work, most cables when I put them in it just doesn't work. But what I realized is I checked it against my wife's 17 Pro and hers when I put it in the USB-C port, it goes in further than this. So I definitely have some stuff in there. I tried blowing it out and pulling it out, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna take this little pick here that I have and I'm gonna slowly go around and clean it. And I'm gonna try it and see if I can get it to work. All right, so here's the deal. I'm gonna go in here with this and I'm just gonna I shut the phone off and I'm gonna carefully pick this out. As you can see it, I'm gonna clean around. This is what I'm saying. You see this already? Definitely getting stuff. There's definitely stuff lint that gets stuck in here. So I'm actually gonna go around and I'm gonna do this for a few minutes and try and clean it, and then I'll let you know how it goes. All right, folks, so I just finished cleaning this out and I got a bunch of dirt out of this thing, and now this cable goes in almost all the way. Before, it was literally stopping like right here, so we were getting it's probably only going in about that much. Now it's going all the way in and the charging is working. So if you're having a problem with your cable, you should proceed with caution. Always proceed with caution. But I figured I had nothing to lose because I was having problems. I can only use wireless charging, and now this will charge again. So this worked great for me. So be careful if you do it, but find some kind of either tool, a safety pin. Even I was using this, a little piece from the end of an earring. Get in there and try and clear it out. So I did take it and I did blow it out with some compressed air afterwards, but this does seem to be working. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know how it worked for you. Thanks, have a great day.